Hello guys, welcome back to the new playlist of According to Me with the tagline Correct Me if I'm wrong. In this video, I'm going to discuss about our show video. Those persons who didn't know about our show, actually, we and our team have organized a show in the previous year 2019 or you may call it 2019 in the last month December at the date of 29. So there are in our show there are a lot of contestants comes and perform their performance on the stage. Also, we invited some of special performers who go there and make them a hall. So, I'm going to discuss about that videos. I selected out or sort out some of the videos on our show, and point out some plus points and minus points as well. You know, every video has plus points and minus points, and also noted down some tips which I'm going to discuss in this videos. But I want to clear up one thing before starting the video. The thing is that guys, I'm not going to show any type of artist performance videos in this video, because if I'm doing so this videos become so longer, and I didn't want to that make this video so longer, because this video is already making so longer. So but you don't have to worry about anything, because if you want to watch all of the videos of artists, then just simply go to the TDM queries page, which is popping somewhere around the frame on your Facebook account or on your Instagram account. Or simply go to the search bar, type TDM queries. There is a page will be open. Scroll down and you will catch all of the awesome videos of our artist of our Open Sync 110 show. So let's, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to discuss about our special performer. Is being invited onto our show. His name is the great guy Narayan. So he's the number one dancer I ever met in my whole life. He's he's number one in every performance in his own field. He's number one in his finance. He's number one by his dance form. He's number one by his studies. So there are a lot of things to make that kind of performance. Now, I want to add a little thing for Narayan. I said I have a lot of respect to your respect to brother, because that guy, really guys, that guy there is a lot of product in his whole life. I know him personally, so I want a lot of things. So a lot of respect for that guy. But Narayan's brother, I also take out a lot of plus points, because your contains a hell lot of plus points. I didn't notice any minus point in those videos. So I'm going to tell all of the plus points in those videos. So please listen all of the plus points brother clearly, and try to remain all of the plus points in your life, for it's important for your future life. Okay. So moving straight forward to the plus point. So the first plus point of Narayan brother is perfect song mixing. If anyone watched his performance, if you didn't till now watch performance, so please go to Asitya and watch that guy performance. You will be amazed by it. You will be amazed after watching his performance. Okay, so when the song starts, you and me, all of you guys amazed, because in the startup of the song, you notice that his name comes as a dialogue. So it's a perfect song mixing smart work. I noticed in his performance. And there are a lot of plus points also which I'm going to discuss for that guy. So this is the first plus point I noticed, and he found to be perfect structure. There are also another plus point from that plus point of song. So the another plus point I noticed in Narayan brother's videos is the step on the feet. That guy catches all of the popular who takes the step, and he can probably notice one of the steps clearly, because it's every as we watch that clip, we notice that this guy is catching the beat steps. It is a minute step. You can't even hear that beat he had that beat and making steps and so that you can watch that beat and that beat is being present in that song. It's very complicated, but all of you guys will, but it's very complicated, but all of you guys who are in dance will so today to what I'm talking. Okay, so this is the second plus point. The third plus point I want to discuss about Nara and brothers is the lasting system. The guy is in full Versace kind of mode and guy is full swag type position and this video. And this dressing sense, this fashion sense will probably match the entire song, will probably match his performance. So that's why I believe it as a plus point for it. So the another plus point I noticed in his video is proper acting. The guy is getting all of the act method, he's doing all of the proper acting on his dialogue. You can see in that clip.
बेखुदी की जिंदगी हम जिया नहीं करते, जाम दूसरों से छीन कर हम पिया नहीं करते। उनको मोहब्बत है तो आकर इजहार करें, पीछा हम भी किसी का किया नहीं करते।
It means that guy is the perfect complete package in a dance field, as we all noticed that. So the last but not the least point I noticed in his performance is that everyone feels his dance. I could relate that thing perfectly with myself because when I am shooting this dance performance, I could also feel this dance, this energy, this expressing from stage by itself, by itself. But I could probably relate to that thing because when I am shooting videos, I exactly feels the same energy what he is feeling right now on that time stage. Because as we all of the guys who notice that thing that when Narayan danced on stage, all of the audience sitting on their seats would also dancing with that guy. This is the passing of energy from one body to all of the body. This is called a perfect complete dance practice. So it's just because of his whole dance journey which I noticed till I know that guy will since 2015 and this is 2020. So this guy will be consistently working in his dance field in 5 years. In 5 years. So it matters. So this is all of the tips plus points I noticed in Narayan's videos. So please if you understand that by what I'm saying in this video, so please keep all of these plus points remain in yourself because all of the plus points will probably help you in future. But I also want to add on a line in this plus point. It put somewhere relating to plus point that we all respect that guy because of his nature. He's a very good nature person I ever noticed in both dancing fields. I made a lot of dancers in our dancing field. There are some dancers who have their own ego. There are some dancers who have a lot of activity in themselves. And also, I am also getting that good zone when I'm in the dancing field and getting some lot of name and fame. But when I met to that guy, he doesn't have a little amount of experience. This guy is pure from inside. That's why we all respect that guy because I never met that guy in another dance. So we all of this that point. I hope you understand all of this point. So it's time to give you tips. So moving to our another topic, that is tips for Narayan Sugar, our product. So there is only single tip I want to give you as a fan of yours because I'm a fan of your brother. I'm not that type of guy which can give you some tips. I'm not at that level which can give you tips. But I'm just suggesting you an idea that you have a lot of talent in yourself. You can't even know that maybe. But I notice all of you guys notice that you are a full package of talent. You know that you know talk with you know how to perform on dialogue, you know how to act, you know how to interact with people, you know how to cover the stage, you know all of the possible things in dancing field. So if you know all of the things, you are leading your own dance classes. So mix all of the knowledge and cover all of the knowledge in a second video and make your own video and publish it on your channel and the same tips and all possible videos, but it's so important for you to think that why it is important that I'm getting all of the names and all of the big opportunities via my YouTube platform. So don't take that platform lightly. It can give you a very big opportunity if you are not think about that. So please, and please, at least you, Narayan, it's your responsibility, brother, that you have to publish a single, at least a single dance or video on your YouTube channel. So, brother, I think it's time to make your own YouTube channel, and there are a lot of Bollywood songs comes every month, which plus is a hit meter, and you have to take all of the songs and simple. You have your own dance method. Simply, you just have to take your mobile and recording start and record your dance and publish it on YouTube. It's so simple, and just by doing this little, you can probably get something opportunity from somewhere via the YouTube platform. So please, brother, and you can take it and publish an answer video on your YouTube channel. So that's all I want to say, Narayan brother. So hope you understand that why I just said in all of these videos. It's a dedicated video for you, Narayan bhai, that because come in our show and make the mobile video performance. So it's a small thing, it's kind of small gift by us, by our team to you. Okay, so please remain on to just wanting yourself, and please implement what I just told in my tip section, so that you can make your life 2 times better than normal life. So meet you in next series of mine, but I can't reveal that series name yet. But soon I will reveal this. If you want to know my next series name, you can connect to my social media. You are already connected to my social media, so I don't have to say that thing. But soon in my soon you will get all of the notifications related to my next series. So that's Narayan brother. See you soon. Tata, bye.